In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Binance app. Keeping your Binance app up to date is important for security, performance, and access to the latest features. In this quick walkthrough on Android, I'll show you two simple ways to update it: through the Google Play Store and by using the in-app update prompt. You won't need to sign out of your account and your data stays intact. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Let's start with the Google Play Store method. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. In the top right corner of the screen, tap your profile picture to open the account menu. From there, select Manage Apps and Device. On the next screen, tap Updates Available. You'll see a list of apps that have updates waiting. Look for Binance in that list. When you find it, tap the Update button next to Binance and let the download and installation finish. If the update is a bit large, stay on Wi-Fi and keep your battery charged to help it complete smoothly. Once it's done, the button will change to Open, which confirms the update was successful. If you don't see Binance in the list, it usually means you're already on the latest version available for your device. Now, let's cover the in-app notification method. Open the Binance app as you normally would. If an update is available for your device and region, you'll automatically see a notification inside the app that an update is ready. When that prompt appears, simply tap Update App Now. The app will guide you through the process, either updating itself or taking you to the Play Store to finish. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the update to complete. This is often the fastest option when the prompt appears, because it takes you straight to what you need. If you don't get an in-app prompt and Binance doesn't show up under updates available in the Play Store, that typically means you're already up to date. Sometimes updates roll out gradually, so you might see the option a little later. Make sure you've got enough storage space and a reliable connection, since both can affect how quickly downloads finish. And that's it. Two easy ways to update the Binance app on Android. Using the Google Play Store gives you a clear overview of pending updates, while the in-app alert provides a quick one-tap path when it appears. Keeping your app updated helps protect your account and ensures you're using the newest tools with the best performance. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to check for updates regularly so you're always on the latest version.